Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the chapter lipid metabolism, and today's topic is classification of lipids. First, we do the definition of lipid. Lipids are organic compounds which have the following common properties. They are esters of fatty acids or substances associated with them in nature. Most of them are insoluble in water but soluble in fat solvents, that means non-polar solvents. For example, benzene, chloroform, acetone and ether. Biomedical importance of lipids. Lipids are important dietary constituents because of their high energy value, 9 kilocalories per gram. The fat soluble vitamins and the essential fatty acids contained in the fats of natural foods. Lipids are found primarily in three components or three compartments in the body: plasma, adipose tissue, and biological membranes. Classification of lipids. Lipids are classified into three main groups: simple lipid, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Simple lipids, esters of fatty acids with various alcohols which have two subtypes. First, natural fats, and second, waxes. Natural fats are the esters of three fatty acids with glycerol, and waxes are the esters of fatty acids with higher molecular weight monohydric alcohols. Number two type of lipid is compound lipid. In addition to esters of fatty acids with alcohol, they contain other groups. They include phospholipids, lipids containing phosphate in addition to fatty acid and alcohol, glycolipids containing a fatty acids, sphingosine and carbohydrates. And third type is derived lipid. They are produced by hydrolysis of the first two groups, or they are present in association with them in nature. Fatty acids. Fatty acids occurs mainly as esters in natural fats and oils, but also occurs in the esterified form as free fatty acids in the plasma. Fatty acids that occurs in natural fats are usually monocarboxylic acids containing an even number of carbon atoms. The chain may be saturated containing no double bonds or unsaturated containing one or more double bonds. Classification of fatty acids according to the presence of double bonds are classified into saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids, they contain no double bond and further classified according to the length of the chain into short chain, that means 2 carbon to 6 carbon, medium chain it contains 8 to 10 carbon, long chain it contains 12 to 22 carbon, and very long chain more than 24 carbon. All have the following general formula: acetic acid, butyric acid, caproic acids are the short chain fatty acids. The medium chain fatty acids are capric acid. Long chain fatty acids are palmitic acid, stearic acid, arachidic acids, and very long chain fatty acids are lignoceric acids. The most important saturated fatty acids includes palmitic and stearic acids, which are widely distributed in animal fats. Palmitic acids is the commonest fatty acid in human tissues. Sources of saturated fatty acids. Examples of foods containing a high proportion of saturated fat includes animal fat, products such as cream, cheese, butter, other whole milk dairy products and fatty meats. Certain vegetable produced product have high saturated fats content such as coconut oil and palm oil. Biomedical importance of fatty acids. Increased intake of saturated fatty acids may lead to increase in plasma cholesterol level and incidence of coronary heart diseases. Number 2 is unsaturated fatty acids. They contain one or more double bonds. Most of the double bonds present in unsaturated fatty acids are of the cis type and they are liquid at room temperature. Unsaturated fatty acids containing trans double bonds are solid at room temperature. In case of polyunsaturated fatty acids, each two double bonds are separated by a methylene group. Trans fatty acids. Trans fatty acids are formed mainly during the hydrogenation of liquid vegetable oils during the manufacture of margarine. A very small amount of trans unsaturated fatty acids are found in butter, but the main source in the human diet is from partially hydrogenated vegetable oils, example margarine. They are present in many commercial baked foods as cake or cookies, frozen pizza and most fried foods. Biomedical importance of unsaturated fatty acids. Trans fatty acids compete with essential fatty acids and many exacerbate essential fatty acids deficiency. Moreover, they are structurally similar to saturated fatty acids and have comparable effects in the promotion of hydroperchlorolemia and atherosclerosis. Number 2 is cis fatty acids. They are classified according to the number of double bonds in their chain into two main groups. Monoenoic acids contain one double bond. Polyenoic acids, they have more than one double bond in their structure, termed polyunsaturated fatty acids. Monoenoic acids are palmitoleic acid, oleic acid and nervonic acids. Polyenoic acids having linolenic acid, timnodonic acids, linoleic acid, arachidonic acids. Importance of unsaturated fatty acids. They are important for synthesis of phospholipids, formation of eicosanoids such as prostaglandin, prostacyclins, thromboxanes, leukotrienes and lipoxins. Nutritional classification of fatty acids are essential fatty acids and non-essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids are not synthesized in our body, so it is essential to take them in diet. They include alpha linolenic acid and linolenic acids. Arachidonic acids is synthesized in our bodies from linoleic, but in its absence, arachidonic acid might be considered as an essential fatty acid. Deficiency of essential fatty acids produces dermatitis in infants, fatty liver, growth retardation as well as defective sperms, brain and retina. Non-essential fatty acids, they includes all other fatty acids because they are formed in our body in good amount, mainly from carbohydrates. It is not essential to take them in diet. Physical properties of fatty acids. Solubility in water. Fatty acids containing up to 6 carbon are completely soluble in water. Longer chain fatty acids are insoluble in water but soluble in fat solvents. Physical state at room temperature. The lower members of saturated fatty acids are liquid at room temperature and volatile. They have irritant odor and bad taste. Those higher than 10 carbon are solids. Unsaturated long chain fatty acids are liquids due to the presence of cis double bonds. Simple lipids. They are esters of fatty acids with alcohols. According to the type of alcohols, there are two main subgroups: natural fats or triglycerides and waxes. Natural fats are esters of 3 fatty acids with glycerol, and waxes are esters of 1 fatty acid with long chain monohydroxy alcohol higher than glycerol. Example of waxes: true wax, that means beeswax, it is esters of palmitic acid with myrcene alcohol. Cholesterol esters, vitamin A esters, vitamin D, triglycerol, that means triglyceride. They contain glycerol alcohol which is colorless, odorless and has a sweet taste. It is liquid and soluble in water. The fatty acids present in triglyceride are usually the different types of mixed triglycerides. Natural fats are classified into two subgroups: oils and solid fats. Oils are liquid at room temperature due to their high content of unsaturated fatty acids. Solid fats are solid at room temperature due to their high content of long chain saturated fatty acids. Physical properties of natural fats. Natural fats are pure, freshly prepared. Triglycerides are colorless, odorless and tasteless. The yellow color of fats and oils is due to the presence of certain pigments, example carotenoids. They are insoluble in water but soluble in fat solvents. Chemical properties of natural fats. Addition of hydrogen. It is the addition of hydrogen through the double bonds to convert unsaturated fatty acid into saturated fatty acids. So the liquid oil will be converted into solid fats or margarine, and hence the name hardening. Hydrolysis of triglycerides. First, acid hydrolysis, number 2, enzymatic hydrolysis, and number 3, alkaline hydrolysis, that means saponification. Rancidity. It is the development of bad odor and taste of fats and oils. Rancidity is due to exposure of fats or oils to high temperature, oxygen, moisture or humidity, light and metals. Types of rancidity. Hydrolytic rancidity. It is due to the hydrolysis of triglycerides by lipase enzyme, which is also present in bacteria, especially in presence of high temperature and moisture. Lipase causes a release of short-chain fatty acids which are volatile and have bad odor. Number 2 is oxidative rancidity. Oils which are rich in unsaturated fatty acids are more liable to develop this type of rancidity. Oxidation of unsaturated fatty acid produces peroxidase, lower chain fatty acids, fatty aldehydes and ketones. They have bad odor and bitter taste. Compound lipids. They contain fatty acids, alcohols and other groups. According to the type of the attached group, they are classified into phospholipids and glycolipids. Phospholipids containing phosphate radicals and glycolipid contains carbohydrates radicals. Phospholipids are classified according to the alcohol present into two main subgroups: glycerophospholipids containing glycerol and sphingomyelin containing sphingosine. Glycerophospholipids, that means glycerophosphatides, they are phospholipids containing glycerol. They include phosphatidic acid and its derivatives as follows. Phosphatidic acids, on hydrolysis it gives 1 glycerol, 1 saturated fatty acids, 1 unsaturated fatty acids and phosphoric acid. Lecithin, it is formed of phosphatidic acid and choline. It is usually present in the cell membranes, especially in the liver, lung and brain. It is also present in blood plasma. Cephalin, it is formed of phosphatidic acid and ethanolamine. It is present in the cell membranes and blood plasma. Phosphatidylserine, it is formed of phosphatidic acid and serine amino acids. It is present in cell membranes. Phosphatidylinositol, lipositol, it is formed of phosphatidic acid and inositol. It is present in cell membranes. Phosphatidylinositol 4,5-bisphosphate acts as secondary messenger in the process of intracellular single transductions. Phosphatidylglycerol, it is formed of phosphatidic acid and glycerol. And number 7, cardiolipins, they are formed of two molecules of phosphatidic acid connected by a molecule of glycerol, so they contain 4 fats, 3 glycerol and 2 phosphates. They form an important component of inner mitochondrial membrane. And last, number 8, plasmalogens. Plasmalogens are a type of ether phospholipids characterized by the presence of an enol form of fatty alcohol in ether linkage at the position first, the fatty acid at the position second and R group at the position third. The R group is the form of ethanolamine or choline. Plasmalogens are found in the numerous human tissues, example nervous and cardiovascular systems. Sphingomyelin, this type is present in cell membranes, especially of the lungs and brain, mainly in the myelin sheath. It contains sphingosine, sphingol, which is an 18-carbon amino alcohol. Fatty acids are linked to sphingosine by an amide bond to form ceramide, which is connected by phosphocholine to form sphingomyelin. Importance and functions of phospholipids. Phospholipids are amphipathic molecules that contains non-polar groups of fatty acids side chain and polar groups of glycerol, phosphate, serine, ethanolamine, choline and inositol. They form micelles in water. They are good emulsifying factors, important for digestion and absorption of dietary fats. They are good hydrotropic substances. They prevent deposition of cholesterol as cholesterol stones. They are important constituents of plasma lipoproteins. They provide arachidonic acids for synthesis of glucosinoids. They are essential for blood clotting as they provide the platelets activating factors, which is plasmogen. plasmalogen that contains choline, palmitoleic alcohol at position first and acetic acid at position 2. Glycolipids, they are formed of ceramide and carbohydrate radicals. They include the following types. Cerebrosides, they contain either galactose or glucose. They are widely distributed in brain tissues and brain centers. All are characterized by the presence of 24 carbon fatty acids. For example, cerebronic acid, neronic acids or lignoceric acids. Sulfolipids, they are present in liver, muscles and testes. They have the same structure as cerebrosides, but there is a sulfate group attached to the hydroxyl group of C3 of galactose. Gangliosides, they are formed of ceramide connected to a complex carbohydrate radical containing mixture of glucose, galactose, amino sugars and NANA. The fatty acids usually contains 18 carbon atoms, example oleic acid or stearic acids. Importance of glycolipids. They are found mainly in brain tissues, myelin sheaths and cell membrane of RBCs. They are component of cell membrane, receptors for hormones and external stimuli. Also they provides recognition properties. Derived lipids, they are produced by hydrolysis of either simple or conjugated lipids, or they are associated with lipids in nature. They include the following: first fatty acids, second alcohols, third steroids, fourth carotenoids, fifth fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E and K. Steroids, they are compounds containing steroid nucleus. This nucleus is composed of 4 fused rings with 17 carbon atoms. It is named as cyclopentano perhydrophenanthrene rings. Classification of steroids. They include the following groups: sterols, bile acids, steroid hormones. Sterols means solid alcohols. They include the following groups: zoosterols, they are present in animals and humans. Phytosterols, they are present in higher plants. They have no physiologic importance. Mycosterols, they are present in lower plants, for example yeast and fungi. Sources: exogenous dietary, the richest source are egg yolk, red meat, liver, kidney, butter and brain. It is the most important animal sterol. Endogenous, every cell can synthesize its own cholesterol from acetyl coenzyme A. Plasma cholesterol is synthesized by the liver and intestine. Thank you.